Hey y'all, welcome to January. I'm here today to share with you in this video about our January Insider Special. So another word for insider is our hostess special, okay? So you guys know when you host a party, you earn free credits, half price items, and those insider only exclusives at that $200 party mark, which is about 4 to 5 of those average orders. But at that $500 level is when you get to double your rewards. You get to double your free credits, double your half price items, double your insider exclusives, but also at that $500 level, you earn our insider special. So it changes every month. The month of January is actually called our Ultimate Organizing Bundle. I'm going to share with you what this bundle is, and you can get your hands on it with a $500 party in the month of January. So you can get this bundle for 60% off. And even one of the items in this bundle is not even available to regular customers. It was a past insider exclusive, and they brought it back for insiders just for January. That's pretty amazing. I'll actually show it first. So this is the bundle. You're going to get 3 products. You can get this bundle for $54, and you get free personalization on all 3 of the items, which is awesome. Okay, so the first one is, this was an insider exclusive I think last year, and it was a huge hit last year, and I think that you're gonna love it this month. So this is called the Deluxe Fold and File Organizer. So this is it folded up. Okay, you'll see that this is in charcoal, and we actually have two print pairings, okay, for this bundle. So this bundle actually comes, I have all the prints that it comes in. So this bundle will come with these 2 items in charcoal, and then this item back here in the tip top chevron. The other bundle comes in the Windswept Diamonds print, okay? All right, so this is, like I said, the Fold and File Organizer, Deluxe Fold and File, okay? So here it is folded up. You'll see that you've got mesh pockets here on the back. You've got 2 little handles here. One of them is in here. So 2 handles to hold it like this, but you can expand this, okay, it expands. You'll see this middle section, you can fold the bottom down like that. So you got that hard bottom here in the bottom. So you can actually use it just like this if you'd like, or you can expand the sides. So both sides unsnap, and they have the hard bottoms that you just flip over. Okay. Sorry, I should have maybe had this open already. I'm not quite sure. All right. Here we go. So when it's like this, you can open it up and you have all of this organization. Oh, that's why it won't open, because it's still snapped. I'm like, what is wrong with this thing? So there we go. So this is what it looks like. You've got 3 sections there. You've got the handles right here. So this is great to use tabletop. If you are homeschooling, this is a great way to keep things organized. Your binders in here. You can even put our fold and file in here, and have your hanging file folders. This is also great for the trunk of your car for organization. So this is called that Fold and File Deluxe Organizer. So that's part of the bundle, and like I said, this is only available in this bundle. It's not available to regular, customers placing an order. So that's a little special thing for you. All right, the next one is, this is called the Deluxe Double Duty Caddy. So this is it when it's not in use, okay, but what it is that deluxe version of our double duty caddy. So you just fold down the bottom insert piece. So you have a hard bottom on each of the sides there, and then you've got a pocket right here on the front. You can personalize here. My personalization is in the blush thread color. So you've got a pocket on the front to store things. So this is great for crafters. It's great for homeschooling, for books. You've got 2 pockets here on the back, and of course this section here. And then both ends have the mesh sides to store things as well. I actually used this upstairs in my bathroom under the cabinet. It was just a disaster, and I'm like, I'm a 31 consultant. I've got to do better than this. So I come downstairs and grabbed one of these, and I put all of those extra bottles of shampoo, everything in here, deodorants, all kinds of stuff in here. This thing is jam-packed. I've got extra mascaras and eyeliners and things on these sides. It is like perfect. So if I need something out, all I gotta do is just take it out and grab what I need and put this back under there, and it's so organized. So I love that. So this is called the Deluxe double duty caddy. And then the last item that's going to come in this bundle, this is called the small utility tote. This is in that tip top chevron print, and your personalization will be right here on this front pocket. Now these are that small version of our large utility tote. So our #1 seller. I love the small utility tote size. I have one in my car at all times, but this is also great for upstairs, maybe for toys. Is great for, you know, you could even put binders and file folders on here as well. So if you're using this in your home, you could put, you know, winter sweaters in your closet, however you want to use this. But it doesn't just have to be used for organizing. You use it in your car. I mean, you can use it for a beach bag. I did that. So that is the bundle. So you're going to get that small utility tote. You're going to get the deluxe double duty caddy, and you will also get the fold and file deluxe organizer. And I did forget to tell you guys that this personalization, this the and sign is in black, and then this thread color is the taupe thread color. So that is that bundle that you can grab in January when you host a qualifying party. And then when you reach that $500 level, you open access to this bundle. You can get it for 60% off, free personalization on all 3 items. So I hope that you will consider partying with me in January. I have one date open in January, and it is for a 15-minute party. So if you're interested in partying, we can do it on my one night in January for 15 minutes. And you know, we are done. It's easy, and it's a fun way to party and share that shopping link with your friends and your family. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you don't miss any of my product videos. If you do not have a 31 consultant, then I am going to link below my VIP group. So I would love to have you join if you don't have a consultant already. So when you click to join, I'll ask you 2 questions. So make sure that you answer those 2 questions, and then I will send you back a private message, and hopefully we'll get you added to my VIP group. If you are ready to party, I'll post the link below where you can click to say that you want to party. And if you're interested in the 31 business opportunity, I'd love to chat with you for just a few minutes and see if 31 might be a fit for you and your family, maybe making some extra money. Who knows? So thanks again, y'all. Have a great day. Bye.